Hey friends, coming to you today with your DIY calm technique number 4. And this one's called the hair smoothing anchor. And I have several of these anchors in here. These you can train your own body to do and use. I have several of them because one might not relate to you very well, another you might feel really comfortable with. They all work equally as well. Pick the ones you like. This one's hair smoothing. So you can take a positive feeling. Now that when you have it, you have to do it while you have the positive feeling, or make the positive feeling come up. And you can create a switch to turn that feeling on anytime you want it to. And so in this one, we're going to take that feeling of calm and relaxation, and we're going to attach it to the switch of smoothing your hair. Smoothing your hair like that. So here's how you do it. Remember a time when you felt completely calm and relaxed. Maybe that was a vacation, sitting on the beach. Maybe it was just being with friends. You know that moment when you felt calm and relaxed. Try to recreate that in your mind and your body. Let the feeling run as strongly as you can through your physical body. And when you feel that that feeling is at its peak, smooth your hair in a way that feels natural for you. Smooth your hair. And now, when you feel anxiety, smooth your hair in the same way, and it will switch on that calm and relaxation to your whole body. And so keep using it, practicing it. If you don't use it, it'll eventually fade out. You can just get it back again the same way we did today. Every time you smooth your hair, you feel the calm settle back over you. Isn't that a great feeling? It's awesome. All right, if you like this video and you want to see more, subscribe to my blog, subscribe to my YouTube channel, or join me on Facebook. Hey, we're waiting there for you to enjoy more DIY tips for calming yourself. Bye, friends.